Hi, I'm Owen Hannie, a local DIY enthusiast from Builders. Today we're going to be reviewing this flip-over table saw TMS 250 from Ryobi. This dual action machine goes from table saw on the one side to a miter cutting saw on the other side. Let's take you through what this machine offers. The Ryobi TMS 250 flip-over 2-in-1 miter and table saw has a very powerful 1800 watt motor with a blade that spins at 3600 RPM. It is a standalone unit with leg supports that can easily fold up to be stowed away. The wheels also make for convenient transport and allows you to move the machine around on various job sites. The table saw section has a dimension of 355mm by 470mm. The table saw operation allows you to rip through long pieces of timber. You can also do cross-grain cutting. The blade can be adjusted to different heights for precise cutting. It also is fully adjustable to cut up to 45 degrees for angle cutting. Flip the table over and you have a very useful miter saw. The unit can do cutting of angles up to 45 degrees to the left and to the right. The unit can also do bevel cuts of 45 degrees, cross-grain cutting in compound mode, and precise miter cuts making joining of angles easy. Well, this Ryobi flip-over table saw is a versatile machine that can be used on the building site or at home. Well, for more information about this, please go to our website, which is www.builders.co.za, or otherwise pop into your local Builders. Get to Builders, get it done.